Thank you for joining in, and I'm back with another unboxing video. I have another small package here from the company Ferris Wheel Press. And I have one of their pens this time, as well as some inks here. Everything always comes all nicely wrapped, safe and secure. And this time around, we have two nice green colors here. One is slightly bigger than the other. And we have the pen here too as well. It's the Scribe ballpoint pen. And it comes in this really nice metal container. And you can also refill this pen as well, which is really nice. It has a really nice smooth finish with some of the gold details. You just twist it on the end there, and then that's where you can put the ink in as well. There's also a small hole if you wanted to hook this onto or attach it to something. And I'm just going to show right here, it's just black ink that's already in the pen, but it does write really nice and smooth. It's very comfortable feeling in your hand. And it does have the company's name engraved on there, the gold piece as well. And it says the Scribe. And also here we have this screen. It's called the Emerald Gardens. 20 milliliters of ink. So the ones with a little bit of shimmer, you do have to shake up a little bit. The base is green, the sheen is red, shimmer green gold. And then we have a different one here. This one is Dancing Time. And these fountain pen inks are water-based, evenly toned, rich and saturated, compatible with all fountain pens and dip pens. And this one does not have any shimmer. This one's matte. It has some really nice granulation in it though. Here I'm going to pull out my journal so we can do some really nice swatches, and you can see some of these really nice greens here. And normally I do use some of my older brushes because with some of these deeper colors you may have some possible staining. So this one up first here was the Emerald Gardens. This is the one that does have a bit of shimmer, and it is a much brighter green. And then I did notice the glare when I was filming. I do get up and turn off the light so you can see this better in just a second. And then our other shade of green here was called Dancing Time. This one is more of a muted. It's almost like a nice sage green. After everything is completely dry, now you can see a better swatch here of all the shimmer that was in the emerald green. And after using these and doing some fun doodles here, I really do enjoy them. These inks are really high quality and they always have beautiful packaging. I highly recommend Ferris Wheel Press, and I do have a discount code if anyone is interested. I will leave all the information in the description down below.